fun and enjoyable thing. Although sometimes you can get frustrated after a little of maybe just taking a break. You'll be up and going again. So the project, you really gotta learn about major problems, and once you get to a certain point, like certain milestones, like you've narrowed down to a certain topic, you've created a list, and you've created a solution, and you've designed the project. Each of those little milestones, it brings a lot of satisfaction in the robot game. Although yes, there will be lots of challenges. Those challenges also, when like in the project, when they're completed, it's really satisfying, and it feels really good. And core values, it really just helps you throughout your life, and it brings you closer to all your teammates. And yeah, that's about all.